another little Instagram makeup look today. I posted a orange look on my Instagram last week, and in the comments quite a few of you asked if I could please do a tutorial on it, so I am gonna try to do that today. I can't exactly remember everything I did, so it's gonna be a little bit of an experiment and it should be fine. Let's do it. I am gonna prime with the Mecca Cosmetica Illuminating Primer. I think the lighting is gonna go in and out because I'm using natural light today, and just a bit of a ring light to help illuminate the face. So I'm sorry in advance if the color's a little bit off here and there. I'm using the Dior Backstage foundation in 3W, and I'm mixing it with the Touche Éclat Glow Shot, just that much on the back of my hand. I'm gonna mix it together. Then just in with my buffing brush. And then the Bobbi Brown Instant Full Cover Concealer in Warm Honey just on my circles under the eyes. And then while that dries down, I'm using the Becca Be a Light face palette. This is a medium to deep palette, and I'm just using the Brighten powder just there. Skipping contour today, I'm just going to go for quite a warm look all over the face. So I'm going to bronze now with the remaining 3 colors and just swirl my brush in all of those. And then just bronze up the whole face. And then just blend that under eye concealer out with my beauty blender. Alright, I'm using a ColourPop, just a single pressed powder shadow. It is in the shade Bratty, a nice orange shade. And I'm going to use this Zoeva brush, which is quite new and it's cracked. Can you see that? I don't even know how that happened, but it's cracked, so I'm just gonna dip into Bratty and just gonna buff all over the lid and up the crease. Alright, I'm going to deepen up the kind of outer edge there, and I'm going into this ColourPop palette. I think it's actually called Yes Please. And I'm using a red-orange color, this one here. But it does look a little bit dark, so I want to mix it with a little bit of the yellow just to make sure that we still keep a nice orange tone. So dipping into that, and then also into the yellow. And then from the outer corner into the crease. Ooh, she is vibrant. Okay, I'm going to use a clean fluffy brush now and just buff out those edges. Make sure everything is nice and blended. Now with a flat shader brush and the original orange color, I'm just going to pack that in all over the lid. And while I have some excess on my brush, I'm just going to pop that on the bottom lash line. Back into that ColourPop palette, I'm taking this orange shimmer tone just on the finger, just to the inner to middle portion of the lid. And then on a brush, just from the inner corner to the center of the eye. I think that's it for all the eyeshadow. Now I'm going to line the eyes with something a little bit fun. So now with the Kat Von D Everlasting Lip Liner, this is in the color A Go Go. And I'm gonna put this in my waterline. You've seen me put lip liners in my waterline before, and once again, I don't know how safe this is, although I did go to a Kat Von D workshop and they said it was safe to do so. So here we go. I don't know how I'm doing this on my viewfinder without poking my eyeball out, but do it for the tube, hey? It's starting raining outside, so hopefully you can still see everything there, but I'm really happy with the eye look now. I'm going to leave mascara to the end as per usual, and now I'm going to highlight with Becca's Prosecco Pop. I'm going to use the Bratty eyeshadow that we used earlier from ColourPop and ColourPop. I'm going to use that as my blush today. Don't know what this weird irritation is, but hopefully that goes away. Back into the ColourPop palette and using that red-orange color that we use on the eyes, just in the very center here. Just blending everything with a fluffy brush. I'm gonna go in with my Precisely My Brow pencil for my eyebrows. This is in the number 6. Then setting that with the Gimme Brow in number 5. Going over some of my beauty spots with my eyebrow pencil. And then I'm setting the face with the Chill Spray by Urban Decay, and I'll do my mascara and lippy after that. Gonna give my eyelashes a curl with the Surratt eyelash curler. And then I'm gonna try out the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. I've never used this one before. Let's see how we go. A little before and after mascara comparison. Not bad. I like how fluttery it looks. Doesn't look as stiff as my other mascaras. The wand is just a little bit chunky for the lower lashes, so it's hard not to get them clumpy, but other than that, it's a nice mascara. Okay, time for lips. I'm using Fenty Beauty's Mattemoiselle in Freckle Fiesta, just this orange shade. That's it. This is a final makeup look. I'm actually really pleasantly surprised with how it turned out. I think better than the Instagram photo that I popped up last week. It is definitely more polished, and yeah, so let me know in the comments if you like this. If you did and you're not subscribed, please do come join my family, and yeah, that's it. I'll see you guys on my next video. Come hang out on Instagram if you don't have me there already as well. Mwah.